Want to easily follow and unfollow people on TikTok using your Android phone? Managing your feed by following new creators or trimming your following list is simple and helps you enjoy TikTok more. Here's a quick guide to get it done. First, I'm going to show you how to follow people on TikTok. There are two quick ways to follow someone. From the For You page, when you see a video you like, look for the creator's profile picture on the right side of the screen. If you're not following them, there might be a small white plus sign on their profile picture. Just tap that plus to instantly follow them. From a creator's profile page, once you're on someone's profile, you'll see a prominent follow button right under their bio. Simply tap that follow button to add them to your following list. How to unfollow people on TikTok. If you want to clean up your feed or no longer see content from someone, go to your profile. Under your profile picture and bio, tap on the following number. This shows you a list of everyone you follow. Scroll through the list. Next to each person's name, you'll see a button that says following. Simply tap this following button next to the person you want to unfollow. It will change to follow, indicating you followed them. It will change to follow, indicating you've unfollowed them. You can do this quickly for multiple accounts. From a person's profile page, go to the profile of the person you want to unfollow. Below their bio, where the follow button used to be, it will now say following. Tap that following button. A simple pop-up might appear asking to confirm or just instantly unfollow them. It will then change back to a follow button. And that's it. Here's how to follow and unfollow on TikTok using Android. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.